I don't remember. Yeah, do that.
Man, that target don't want to stay there, does it?
No.
The friggin' got a forearm on it.
Oh, you're supposed to hold it like
Yes, sir.
No
now
kidding.
You got a damn gun. That's the way you get it, right there.
that? Well, I'm trying to see something in the scope.
You probably ain't got it stretched out far enough.
Well, I'm seeing it, but then it keeps disappearing.